We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a chicken, steak, and shrimp stir fry. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing y'all our ingredients for our stir fry. All the meats that I am showing you is well seasoned and fully cooked, so there is no cooking involved with your meat. Here I'm showing you our thin spaghetti, but I really prefer the linguine noodles. They are best used for a stir fry. That's my opinion, but make this recipe yours. I'm also using some sliced bell peppers and onions, some fresh spinach, sun-dried tomatoes and oil, soy sauce, and sesame seed oil. And here are a list of our ingredients. In this huge skillet, I'm pouring like 2 or 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil and 1 tablespoon of sun-dried tomato oil. After letting our oil heat up, we're adding our sliced bell peppers and onions. Now we're adding in our minced garlic. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Here we're sauteing up our vegetable. It all depends on how you prefer your vegetables, because some people like theirs crunchy. You just give these a quick stir because they're going to continue to cook after we add our meat and our pasta. Okay? If you prefer your vegetable crunchy, you can always saute these just a little bit and then remove them from your pan, then add some more oil, and then add your meat. Okay, as you can see, our vegetables have become just slightly tender. Now we're going to add in our meat. Here we're adding in our beef fajita meat. We are using 2 bags. What I like about this meat, it is already seasoned and it has a very, very delicious flavor to it. And so that's why I use this. If you want to do it homemade, you can, but this is the way I prefer it because it's quick and easy. And we're going to just give this a little quick stir, and then we're going to add the rest of our meats. Here we're adding our chicken breast fajita. And now our chicken thigh fajita. The reason why I'm using so much meat is that I'm making a very huge stir fry today. We're going to give this a quick stir. Here we are removing some of the sun-dried tomatoes from our oil. You can put as much or less as you prefer. And we're going to stir this up a little bit. Okay, as you can see, Our stir fry is coming together and it has cooked down. And this is the way I want our bell peppers and onions to look. Now we're adding our fresh spinach. And like I say, you can use any vegetables that you prefer. You can add broccoli, chickpeas, corn, whatever vegetable you prefer in a stir fry. Make this recipe yours. It may seem like a lot of spinach I'm adding, but just wait and see. You're going to see that it's going to cook down. Okay, as you can see, our stir fry is almost done. I have already cooked our pasta, and this has been drained and it's ready to be added to our skillet. But before we do that, we're going to add our cooked shrimp. The reason why I add our cooked shrimp last is because we don't want our shrimp to taste rubbery or, tough. We want them to have a great texture, okay? I always add my cooked shrimp last. We're going to stir these in. This stir fry is so delicious that it can be eaten without the pasta or the rice. Here our pasta is ready, and now we're adding our stir fry to our pasta. The thing about this stir fry, you do not have to add it on top of noodles. You can add it, you can bowl up you some rice and just serve it on top of some rice. Just make this recipe yours, whatever you prefer to do. And here I'm adding some soy sauce. This is what really gives it flavor. The flavor is good all by itself. The soy sauce really adds more flavor, and I love the taste. Like I was saying, if you if you can make this recipe yours. If you want to add teriyaki sauce to it, add it. If you want to make this a sweet and sour dish, add it. Use your favorite sauce. Okay, y'all, I'm going to be back. I'm going to finish stirring this up. I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, our stir fry is complete and it's ready to eat. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe, and I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I enjoy cooking with you all. My family really enjoyed this, and I hope y'all enjoy it as well. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all. As always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!